Wow.
Yeah, that thing's a sweetheart. You haven't seen this one fly, huh, Jim?
No.
Wait till he swings it around, you see the lights on it.
Yeah, I saw them on the table when he put the battery in.
Look at that. All three of them blaring out. It's even got the white flashers on the wingtip, along with the red-green, you know. Looking good, Pete.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, in the that AMA magazine, they said Weatherford had the sale coming up in March. I don't remember the date though.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing it either.
No, it was there. It was there.
Yeah.
Under non-fine events. Yeah.
Are you going to it?
You can come back and go to that sale with us, okay?
It looks like I'll be here to go with you.
Okay.
We ought to go rent us a couple of tables and thin down the herd a little bit.
That's a thought.
I was looking through my hangar. I got about 7 of them that I would be willing to get rid of.
I probably got 3. If we're going to go, I need to make a stand.
Yeah. Yeah, I've only got one of those that we built last time.
Well, I got one from you, remember?
Yeah.
So I'll replace it.
No worries.
Because I think 3 of them worked out really well, didn't it?
Yeah, if you put 2 stands per table, it works good. You can get easily 4 planes on the table then, you know. Unless it's got huge wings. Like the ones I'm bringing, I can get 4 on it. You can do the what now?
Build that stand at a different height.
Oh yeah.
So put different legs on it.
Yeah, you could stack it 3 deep actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You have 2 on the sides, same height, and one in the center higher.
Yep.
And still get planes in between.
Right.
That thing does fly good.
Oh, it's a sweetheart. Real flat?
No. I'm not buying till the.
It's a new year, Jim. You could buy 2 or 3 new ones now.
Yeah, you're flush with cash.
I was going to say, well, yeah. I thought about getting that twin.
Twin.
Oh, the otter?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Have you seen one?
Yes.
Oh, really? How did it fly?
Oh, on video only.
Oh, okay.
But the guys that got them love it, and they're sold out.
Yeah. Well, I started putting my order in at Christmas for that plane.
Yeah,
I didn't do it.
I wish I had.
I figured I'd get billed as soon as I did it, and they'd ship it whenever.
That's a real popular skydiving show. Pretty decent approach.
This is like a city flight crew. You got 1 person working and 3 people watching.
No, I wanted to see it. I hadn't been out here.
That's a good flying plane.
Yeah, I'd probably sell several of them to rent the spot. It's only, what, $15 a table?
You know, I can't remember what it is. Ooh, you barely made that out of the rough on that one, Pete.
I thought he was out of the rough, and I thought, no, he's not.
Yeah, I think his left wheel landed right on the edge of it.
Well, that's my style point.
Yeah, your pilot's in there wiping the sweat off his brow right now. Good flight, Pete. Good flight.
It did look like I was in the rough.